Hey y'all, it's Christine. Alright, so sorry I didn't post. I just came in here and went straight to filming. So I just got this pack. I just got this tryit package. It's too heavy for me to lift up to show y'all. Let's see if I can show y'all. This is the package itself. I went ahead and tore it open to move along this video quicker. Alright, so let's see here. Alright. So, paper. Yay. This is like a stocking stuffer paper. Alright, so what I got is let's see here. It is the grill that I ordered. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I had to move it. I had to have my brother help me to move it from my room to in here, so I know exactly what it is. It's my Ninja Foodie grill that I requested from Tryit. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can't put it together and see whether or not see if it needs any putting together. Alright, so let's see here. Alright. Let's see. This is like a little booklet. Sorry, just right now I'm getting everything out of the box. Let's see here. Almost fell. Alrighty, so set that back up. Alright. Let's see here. Gonna put that there. Move this over here. Alright. Sorry about not being in camera for a little bit. Alrighty, so. Oh fuck. Alrighty. Let's see here. Alrighty, so toss that over there, toss that there. Alrighty, looks like I've got everything out of the box so far. Alright, so this must be what a crisper basket is. Alright, you know what, what the hell? Ooh. That's why I one left. Sorry, this is like, I'm excited right now, so. Alrighty. I mean, I got a free grill, so hey. Alright, I still got to get the tape off the other side. Alright, so stick that there. Alright, sorry, I had to edit the little thingamajigger. Alright, so let's see here. I'm just taking like all the plasticware off. Oh, well, the plasticware, I mean the bags. Alright, so where is... Alright, so... Alright. Oh, there's the basket. I guess this is the basket that they were talking about, or is it in here? Sorry, this is like right now I am just like trying to unbox the whole thing. This might turn out to be a longer video than usual. Alrighty. Let's see here. It's cold because it is freezing. No, that ain't the basket. Okay, so... Alright, so this is like what it looks like when it's opened here. Sorry, this is like, it's a mess right now. Don't know if you can see it or not, but this is what it looks like so far. There, let's see here, pop this back here. Alright, let's see. Oh, sweet, I might... No, can't do the hamburger turkey in here, sadly. Alright, so, like the instruction manual and the instruction manual and whatnot. Let's see here. Guess that would be the splatter shield. Alright. Reading the quick start guide. Okay, this is recommended scraper, I guess. Looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, so still, it's like I'm reading the whole quick start guide. Alright, so I think good on that one. Alright, so and then the owner's guide. I want to include pictures in this review. I think I might have JD go up to think I might go up to Feline later. Alright, let's see here. Definitely need to use look at page 7. Alright, so let's see here. Alright. Anyways. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I had fully read the owner's manual, and I think I've got like a pretty good idea on how to use the grill. So I gotta clean all. Excuse me. Obviously, I gotta clean. I gotta wash all the parts, removable parts, before I can actually use it. Understandable. So I think what I'm gonna first thing I'm going to do after doing all that is I'm going to use the grill with some burgers on here, which I can do that over there on the counter. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll use the grill and get back to y'all. I'll be taking pictures, of course. If y'all want, let me know down there in the comments on on if y'all want me to post pictures on my Instagram and or my Facebook page. So let me know what y'all think. I will let y'all know everything. I'll even post. I will definitely post pictures. So I will link my Instagram down there in the description. So yeah, I think that's going to be about it for now. Sorry I haven't been really chatty in this video. I was just I've been reading up on everything that I can. I've read the owner's manual and this quick start guide. So, yeah. I think that's what I'm going to do next is clean all of the items that came with the grill and keep the box itself that the grill came in. So yeah, better go ahead and stop babbling on and get to cleaning. So yeah, I think that's going to be about it. I'll let y'all know how it all goes. Bye, y'all. Again, my the usual links will be down in the description. I will include my Instagram and Twitter down there in the description. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on that notification bell if y'all want to. Bye, y'all.